Hey everyone, stress, it's something we all deal with, right? But managing it effectively can really make a huge difference in our lives. Today I'm going to share some proven techniques to help you manage stress and live a more balanced life. First up, physical activities. Regular exercise like jogging, yoga, or even just a brisk walk can do wonders. These activities release endorphins, which are your body's natural stress relievers. Feeling stressed? Try going for a quick run or stretching it out with some yoga. Now, let's talk about deep breathing exercises. One of my favorites is the 4-7-8 technique. It's super simple. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. This can calm your mind in just minutes. Give it a try the next time you're feeling overwhelmed. All right, moving on to mental and emotional techniques. Journaling is a fantastic way to process your thoughts and clear your mind. Just write down whatever comes to mind, no filter needed, and then there's mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you focus on the present moment, which can significantly reduce anxiety. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Time management is your friend. Prioritize your tasks with tools like to-do lists or digital planners. Break big projects into smaller, more manageable steps, and don't hesitate to delegate when needed. It's all about making your workload feel less intimidating. So there you have it, some proven techniques to manage stress. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. Take care of yourself, and see you next time.
Helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more accounting tips and tricks.